Right, people, let's have a look how to swap in SafePal. So many people have got small amounts of USDT and they can swap that for BNB. It's on the same network BEP20, so it will be very easy to do that. Right, first of all, you're going to press on USDT, and then on SafePal, the swap feature is right below the icon. Press on the swap icon, and then you will get this picture here. So take note that the one that you want to swap, to pay with, must be at the top. So use this arrows in the middle, and you can just swap them around. Put the one at the top that you want to swap with, and the one that you need will be at the bottom. Right, and then you're going to press max top right. So this will give you the quote, and then you press swap. If you can always change the service provider here, because there's a lots of different service providers. If you do not get a quote that can be accepted, but normally it's for USDT to BNB, it's XY swap, and you can do small amounts with that. I've made many small exchanges with USDT on XY swap, and then you're going to press next and then confirm again, and you just approve it. So and then confirm again, because it's not the screen that you want to see. This is the screen that you want to see. So you just confirm until you see the screen and the swap is in process. Sometimes it takes a short while, and sometimes it can be a little bit longer, but you can even go out back when it's in the process. It will definitely swap then. It will, if it doesn't swap, it will tell you, it will show you that it doesn't go through, and then you just do it again. Alright, we'll have a look now. Alright, like this one, it's taking some time now, so you can go back and back again and back again, and you just confirm or update it there, and you can see it's already out now. So I have swapped it for BNB, and there it comes in now. You can see the transaction there, success. Alright, that is how you swap USDT for BNB inside SafePal. Thank you.